Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have invited Dr. Saima Khatib, who has completed her PhD from Aligarh Muslim University. And to start with today's video, let Saima Khatib introduce herself, her background, and her journey from bachelor's to PhD. So Saima, the floor is yours.
Thank you so much, Atik, for inviting me on this session. And as far as introduction is concerned, whenever it comes to introduction, whether writing your thesis or article or anything, I found it so complicated, and it is same here. So I am Saima Farhat, and you can find me on LinkedIn as Saima Khatib. So I have done all my studies like 10th exam, then my secondary, senior secondary, then my graduation, economic honors, and then my master's from economics only, and then finally my PhD from economics. So I have worked on trade and economic cooperation between India and UAE. And the period that I have taken into account, because in economics or we can say in social sciences, we take periods. So it's 1995 to 2018.
So, what made the reason to choose Aligarh Muslim University? It's because it's near to your place.
No, it's not like that. It was close or it was nearby. It is just like I flowed with the flow. I think it was in 2015 or 16. I tried to get enter into JNU, but I didn't get selected.
Okay.
So yeah, finally I got admitted here, and yes, Alhamdulillah, I did well. I'm satisfied.
Hmm.
So and as far as AMU is concerned, is one of the premier and globally noted organization.
Yes.
So AMU doesn't need any introduction or anything. So, being a part of this university is really, really an honor. It's an amazing feeling only, and I can understand it. This feeling is truly, truly amazing.
So, Saima, coming to admission topic, so can you elaborate on how was the admission process for bachelor's, master's, and PhD at AAMU?
In bachelor's, I remember there were no entrance exam, but merit list only. Yeah, so it was somehow easy to get enter into it during bachelor's. But in masters, right after 2 years, yes, it was so competitive. And for even masters in economics, there was so tough competition. And yes, I cleared entrance examination, and then PhD. Yeah, before that, I get entered into BEd Economics.
Okay.
But yeah, I dropped BEd exam because BEd was not my cup of tea. I was not enjoying there, and I was, passionate about research. And BEd, no, I was not happy during those days. So I dropped that after completing one semester. Yeah, after completing one semester, I dropped that and I prepared for PhD, and Alhamdulillah, I got selected.
Hmm.
So I proceeded. It was a good time. During my PhD days, I visited, Alhamdulillah, I visited Bhutan, Royal College of Thimphu. It was the only international conference of mine. Besides
Hmm.
that, I have done only in India and within the boundaries of Aligarh and UP only.
So,
So
what was the entrance examination for this?
separate exam for PhD. You are talking about PhD, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Different departments prepare different exams. They are independent. They are independent
Okay.
to conduct. So I have been in economics department only. So yeah, they were allowed because AMU is an autonomous university, no? So they conduct their exams independently.
Okay. So, what was the process of selection? So, once you clear the examination, will there be any interview for this PhD program?
Yes, after completing PhD entrance exam,
Hmm.
there was an interview and presentation. It was combined, but the marks were different.
Hmm.
They allot us different marks, and there were, I remember, there were only 4 seats, and 80 students had
Applied.
applied.
Okay.
So yeah, it was a presentation. First, they asked for interview, and it was only from economics, and then it was a presentation based on whatever topic you have prepared. So I had prepared something related to migrants, Indian migrants in GCC countries.
Okay. Then coming to this fees or stipend during your PhD program. So what was the scholarship you were getting there?
Yeah, it was non-net UGC 8,000
Hmm.
that we got. Yeah, that we
Okay.
have been received. Yes, it was also contingency fund.
Hmm.
Contingency fund for up to maximum 8,000
Okay.
yearly, annually.
Annually.
They provide us
Okay.
annually 8,000, and besides that 8,000 per month.
Okay. So will you have any fee or it will be free of cost?
Yeah, we had to pay fee,
Okay.
admission fee. Yeah, on every 6 months, like semester fee, that we
Yeah.
pay
Yeah.
normally, semester
Yes. Yes.
fee and other minor expenses. So no, but the charges were so nominal.
Hmm. How much can we expect the semester fee there?
I think it was around 6 to 7,000.
Okay. Okay. So how was your experience at AMU?
Wonderful. I can't express it.
Mm.
No, I would not be able to express it. It was so. It has remained so wonderful throughout this period. Yeah, especially my PhD days. I have learned so many things during these days. So it was a great experience to be a part of the PhD program of Aligarh Muslim University.